I'm EyeOnAiman, and welcome back to another FischerTechnik video. In this video, we're going to be doing the 6th FischerTechnik Challenge, which is the Grandma Getting Old Challenge. And so challenge is supposed to simulate a Stairmaster, where you go from one floor to the other to the other. In this case, you only need to do 2 floors for the activity, but I ended up and went and did 3, just because I felt like it. And so the idea is you want to use this rack right here, the smaller racks, not these bigger ones. You want to use the smaller ones because these have a special gearbox that allows you to go up and down them. Let me just toggle that right now. See how it goes up and down. And so the idea is that when you press a button and you're on one floor, it goes to the other floor, and when you're on the other floor, you press the button, it goes back down. Now with the version I have 2 buttons so that if you're on a floor, you can go up or you can go down. But let's assume for now that we are only working with the criteria set in the paper, which is only 2 floors, 1 button. Alright, so the program's been started. If we press this button to go up, this should go up until it hits the sensor. And that should stop. Now if you're doing the challenge normally, then if you press the same button, it should go back down. So just to simulate that, it should go back down to the first floor, and as soon as it hits that button, it should stop. Now with my version, as it goes up, it stops. If I press this button again to go up, then it goes up to the 3rd floor, and then it's going to stop there. If I press the up button here, nothing happens. If I go down, if I press the down button, then it goes down. So that's how my version of it works. You can see Grandma here looks pretty happy as she's going down. It's a very simple program. It's really a feedback loop, and then limit switches are basically when you keep iterating the motor moving up until you hit an input that indicates, oh yeah, you're done moving. That's the limit switch. If as soon as this for example, this is a limit switch. As soon as this motor hits this switch, then it stops. That's why it's called a limit switch, because that's the limit. This would be a start and stop switch. But these buttons that the motor hits are the limit switches. So this is actually a very straightforward project. If you want to make it more challenging, you can go for 3 floors, but you'll be able to explore that kind of challenge in the freight elevator challenge, which you actually do have to figure out the program for 3 floors. But yeah, pretty simple. You can see you use the angle blocks in order to get that nice incline. And the wiring is also pretty simple. Alright, good luck on your challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.